Hello, everyone. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to learn how to count from 0 to 20 in French. Are you ready? Let's dive in. We'll start with the basics. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job counting along with me. Now let's move on to the numbers 11 to 20. Ready? Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic, you're doing great. Keep practicing and have fun with your new French numbers. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll become. Thanks for joining me on this fantastic counting adventure. See you next time, you number ninjas.